thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Here's a little project I'm working on out here in the bounder. Upgrading the faucet. Did this back in the Dutchmen camper, and my wife really loved this faucet, so we're just going to go ahead and put one in here too. Exact same model, Banbury. It has the sprayer, but it's not external sprayer. It's built into the 3-port faucet, so no need to drill an exterior hole. Anyway, Banbury going in. A little different setup. That's a 3/8 inch connector pipe, and inside of here we've got 1/2 inch packs. So went out to Home Depot today and I bought some shut-off valves that are shark bite. So now what I need to do is cut the packs, put the shark bite on the packs, then on the other end I'll be able to plug in the 3/8 inch connector here. It should be a simple project, so we'll touch base after we get it installed. Thanks. What, 65 bucks? Going over here, has the sprayer. Looks awesome. Underneath, my new connections with PEX. You can see how that came down. 3/8 inch tubing into shark bite connections with shut-off valves. So easy connectors. 15-minute upgrade. Loved it. Got the towel there just in case. Hasn't leaked one bit though. So just gonna monitor. This is what came out, folks. They are what they are. 4 years old and it's deteriorating already. So now the question is what do we get for the other 2 baths? I'd like to get something that matches. Make them all 3 look nice. Not going to do it now. This is the one I wanted to get done first. And we'll hit the baths next. Alright, another one in the books. Banbury. Thanks for watching.